Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, we first need to get our boot options, which we can swipe down twice from the top of the screen, which will reveal our power button. Click on it, and then hold power off. You can see that this then changes into reboot to safe mode, which we will click on OK to initiate the reboot. Now when the device boots back up, it will automatically boot into the safe mode, and in that mode only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can start it up. Now that only extends to as long as you are in the said mode. Now you can see we have a watermark right here at the bottom, indicating that we are in the desired mode. And now that the device is on, you can see that there is also some applications that come pre-installed with the device that don't work. Now the reason they don't work is because they don't actually come with the device out of the box. They get downloaded while you go to the setup, which doesn't count as a default application. And there's some more on the second page, you can see right here. So all the applications that are now just gray or monochrome won't work in this mode, and if you try to open them up, you get the pop-up downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now once you're done with safe mode and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you will need to do is just swipe down twice from your top of the screen again, click on the power button, and this time around just simply tap on the restart option. When the device boots back up, it automatically enters normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.